I say there is one seat in the ones place and another seat in the tens place, so only one number can sit here. Two numbers can't fit in. So here only single numbers can sit here. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Fine. They were to put the number 124 in a stem and leaf diagram. The stem would be 12 and the leaf would be 4. अच्छा ये बात जो है stem के लिए confirm नहीं है. Stem can have more than 2 digits. Like if you see you have digits from 0 to 4 here, but the digits can be more than 2 digits also. It can be 12, it can decimal number. So it's basically the decimal number. So here basically we have let's suppose we have basically 5 groups of number. We have 5 numbers having the same common number in the units place, that is 2.3, 2.5, 2.5, 2.7, 2.8, and the common number in the units place basically the 2. So we'll be creating a group or the stem, that is basically the 2, and the numbers coming in the tens place like 2.3. So we have 3 here, so 3 is coming here. Then in 2.5 we have the 2 here outside and 5 will go inside. Similarly 2 here outside, 5 goes inside again, 2 comes outside and 7 goes inside, 2 stays outside and 8 goes inside. Then we have a second group. Then we have a second group of common number, having a common number in the unit place, that is basically the 3 here. So here the common number in the unit place basically the 3. So I'm going to create a stem having the number 3. I'll be writing it once only. I will not write it again and again for each and every number. So here we have 3, then 2 goes inside, then we have 3 here, 6 goes inside, then we have 3 here, 6 goes inside again. Then the next number or the next group is basically the 4, and hardly we have only one number having the number 4 in the unit place. So my another group is 4 basically, and 4 goes outside in the stem part and 5 comes inside in the leaf part. There is only one leaf for the stem 4. Now again we have another group that is 5, stem 5, but 0 is the leaf. So if I analyze it again, basically the number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. The number 3 has basically 1, 2, 3 leaves. The number 4 has basically 1 leaf. The number 5 has also 1 leaf. Now here you will be representing a key for each and every stem diagram you're going to draw. So here we given a stem and leaf diagram key. So stem 2, leaf 3 means 2.3. They have told us what or how we are going to read the numbers, in this stem and leaf diagram. So here say what the stem and leaf diagram means. In this case each leaf is a decimal and it is okay to repeat the leaf value. It is not, if you see here we have 2 numbers having 2.5 here. So we have to repeat the numbers. It is not a real leave the number. No. अगर 2.5 2 मरतबा आ रहा है तो हम इसको 2 मरतबा ही मेंशन करेंगे. We will not